I'm coming to you today from my husband's fashion setup. We have here his clothes. At the bottom we have his shoes. Here we have his watch box. All kinds of stuff. All kinds of guys stuff. Because today is a male shoe unboxing. So this video is for anybody that's into men's fashion. Alan Edmonds, that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. That is one of his favorite brands to wear at work and to wear casually. So the story is, there's a story. We went shopping the other weekend. Went here, went there, you know, of course for me. And I said, hey, if you want to go check out your store and see what's going on, I'll wait in the car for you. And I waited, and I waited, and I waited. Finally, he comes back, nothing in his hand. So I was like, well, dude, I thought you were buying out the store. Oh, no, I put my order in. So apparently, I'm not a really good influence on him. His item came in, he opened it, he loved it, and he's letting me unbox it before he wears it. He's actually out now, and I know he wanted to rock those things. But, you know, he loves me too. So this is the Alan Edmonds box right here. This is called the Courtside Triumph Leather. My husband's taste ranges from, you know, jacket and button-down kind of stuff with the really nice shoes to kind of a street stylish, casual, dead on the weekend. Ta-da, this is what the shoes look like. Front view, side view. It's got this little tan bit here on the back. I love the smell of leather, so I'm really digging these. It's kind of a rose gold print for the branding with the white around it. So this is definitely his weekend jam shoes. He does not wear like this to his job. This is his jam. I don't mess with him in his jam when it comes to this. And he really enjoys these shoes. So I wanted to show them to you. If you have a man in your life, or if you are the man in your life and you're looking for something comfortable and sporty to wear this summer, again, these are all leather, Alan Edmonds. They are in a lot of the upscale malls. You can also go online. They have great sales. They have military discounts as well. If the shoes are not in stock, they will ship them to you. So these shoes came pretty quick, actually, between that day I was left sitting in the car and when they showed up at the house. So yeah, I cannot wait to see him sporting these. When I say this man is into shoes, like, he's really, really into shoes. Like, do I need to explain anymore? Like, shoes, watches, watch bands are his thing. Shoe obsession. Shoe obsession. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit notifications so that you will know the next time that I post. See you later.